In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to make your Xbox Series X or S controller vibrate. So no matter what reason you want to make this happen, I'll just show you how to do it. Turn the Xbox and the controller on, press on the Xbox logo on the controller. You're having this menu appearing. Go down where you see settings. From here, you're gonna go down until you see devices and connections. Then go on the right side where you see controllers and headset. Press A, and from here you're gonna go where there's three little dots there, like this, and over there on the right side menu you're gonna see vibrate this controller. Go down, and then when you press A, the controller will vibrate every single time. So this is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for no matter what reason, and I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to comment down below why you used this feature.